One of the Chinese brands told me that DHL is not shipping to India as of now. Maybe they are not shipping from China, but this is a DHL packet, and from Vietnam. It was shipped not long ago, uh, 5 6 days ago, and it's here. And this is from Soranic. I do not think all of us have heard about Soranic. It's a Vietnam. It's a brand from Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City, and they have a good reputation. They had a very good reputation back in the time when the Ion was released, Soranic Ion. This is supposed to be the Soranic Ion 4. It's a magnetostatic earphone, much like short tape, is supposed to be priced at around $350. The representative told me that it might be internationally priced at $500, but in Vietnam it's 350, 300 something. It's not expensive. There is some leakage, some dampening here. I don't know from what. I hope things inside are okay. Looks good to me. Okay, so it's okay. It's okay. Looks okay. Soranic. Did I do this? I don't think that I did this. How? Okay. So wow. Hoo. This is excellent. This is excellent, to be precise. Um, More than anything else, I would really prefer something like this. This is crush proof hard pelican type case, which is much more secure for an earphone than anything else. This is the Ion 4 magnetostatic earphone, and there are two BAs too, I think, and this is Soranic Ion 2S. This is to a single magnetostatic driver. Let's see what else we have. If we have some accessories, no, we have no accessories or anything, so that's okay. I don't mind at all. One cable, two, not even two cables. It's okay, it's perfectly fine. Let's have a look at the Ion 4. The design has changed. They had vents in here. They had this lateral kind of vents in the older design. In the newer design, they have proper vent like vents. These are smaller. Let's have a closer look. These are smaller and should contain the treble and lower end a bit more, and thus changing the sound, not a lot, but to a desirable effect. So let's see how this new shell is affecting the sound. Let's have a look at the Ion 2S. 2S is supposed to be cheaper at around, I think, 200. The representative told me that it might be priced at around 200, 250, 300 at max, but they haven't been publishing about this, and I found zero unboxing or any kind of information on YouTube about Soranic Ion earphones. That's kind of strange, because Soranic is not a new brand or anything like that. People have lost kind of interest on it in it, but they are not new in the market. They have been in this business for last few years, and they have made some of the most interesting earphones in their respective price ranges, and it's kind of strange that there is not even a single video about Soranic IEMs in YouTube. That's really strange. Nevertheless, I have both. I'll be comparing it with I don't know what, because I do not have a single magnetostatic IEM with me. I do not have even one magnetostatic IEM with me. I'll be comparing it with the IEMs I have, FIO, FD5 and DM8 and stuff. Let's see how this compare. I'm really excited. These are my first Soranic IEMs. Can we see through this? No, we cannot see through this. These are fairly obtrusive. It's good, looks good. These are good looking IEMs. This is smaller than the Ion 4. Yeah, this is smaller. The body is slightly smaller, you guys can see, and that's because this has only one magnetostatic driver, only the magnetostatic driver, nothing else. One DD with magnetostatic layer on it. I believe that's how this magnetostatic stuff work. So let's see how this sounds. I'll post the impression if I feel that these are excellent or anything. I'll post the impression in a day or two. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.